Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Digital Future AI School, where we learn the technologies of tomorrow, today. Artificial intelligence has triggered the biggest shift the world has ever seen. Jobs are not disappearing, they are transforming. Those who ignore AI will be left behind. Those who understand it and learn how to use it will become the leaders of the future. In this chapter, Mr. Zaheer Ahmad Meer provides you with a complete roadmap, one that helps you protect, upgrade, and future-proof your career in the age of AI. This is not theory, this is not motivation, this is a real-world survival guide. If you want to secure your job, your income, and your professional value, this chapter is for you.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel, Digital Future AI School. Before we jump in, please kindly subscribe to our channel, give this a like, and share it with your friends. This is episode 25, and today we're diving into chapter 25 of the book, AI, Your Smartest Partner in Life and Work by Mr. Zaheer Ahmad Meer. So let's talk about it. Is AI coming for your job? You know, it's the big question hanging over pretty much every career these days. And that anxiety? It's real. But, and this is the key, so is the opportunity. This explainer is all about giving you a clear, practical strategy to not just survive, but to actually thrive in this new age of AI.
Okay, let's start with the most important idea you need to grab onto. This quote right here really reframes the whole conversation. See, the threat isn't the technology itself. The real competition, that's going to come from the people who learn how to master it. So the question isn't AI versus you. It's really you versus someone who uses AI better than you.
So how do you become that person? Well, we've broken it all down into a practical roadmap for you. First, we're going to talk about the new reality. Then we'll get into the 5 essential survival skills you need, like right now. After that, we'll look at how to actually upgrade your current job, build a powerful AI portfolio that gets you noticed, and finally, we'll lock in the winning mindset that ties it all together.
All right, first things first. We have to face the new reality, and this is the absolute foundation for everything else. You have to accept that AI literacy, well, it's not optional anymore. It doesn't matter if you're a lawyer, a doctor, an accountant, an artist. This applies to every single one of us.
This really requires a huge mindset shift. We have to stop seeing AI as an enemy and start seeing it for what it is, a partner. Look, you don't need to become a coder, but you do need to learn how to communicate with it, think with it, and solve problems with it. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and believe me, it is here to stay.
So if AI is our new partner, how do we actually work with it effectively? That brings us to our second section, the 5 essential survival skills. And what's so important to understand here is that none of these are super technical. These are practical skills that anyone, and I mean anyone, can start developing today.
First up, prompt mastery. You can think of this as the new literacy. Knowing how to ask AI the right questions in the right way is everything. Just follow this simple formula. State your goal, give it some context, add any constraints, and then set the tone. Seriously, mastering just this one skill can make you what they call a 10x professional in whatever field you're
in. Next up is AI-assisted writing. Think about it. So much of our work is just communication. With AI as your writing assistant, you can draft proposals, summarize these dense, long documents, and create reports in just a fraction of the time. It just makes your communication clearer, faster, and way more impactful.
Skill number 3 is ideas, not to replace them.
And finally, skill number 5 is emotional intelligence. This is the one thing AI simply cannot copy. We're talking about genuine empathy, trust, leadership, negotiation, moral judgment. These are fundamentally human. The professional who can combine technical AI skill with high emotional intelligence, that person becomes truly irreplaceable. Okay, so you've got the skills. How do you apply them? That brings us to section 3, upgrading your job. This is all about being proactive. The goal here is simple: automate the repetitive parts of your work before someone else does it for you. So I want you to ask yourself this question right now. Just take a second and think about your daily work. What tasks are repetitive, predictable, time-consuming? Is it writing those standard emails, filling out the same reports over and over, analyzing daily data? These are your prime targets for automation.
The process is a really simple 3-step plan. First, identify those repetitive tasks we just talked about. Second, use the AI tools that are out there to automate them. And third, and this is the most important part, shift all that newfound time and energy to higher-level work. Things like strategy, creative problem solving, and building relationships. You let AI do the busy work so you can do the meaningful work.
Okay, now that you're using AI to upgrade your work, how do you actually prove it to anyone? This brings us to Section 4, Build Your AI Portfolio. This is all about creating tangible proof of your skills for this new job market, and it goes way beyond a traditional CV.
Because think about it, a single professional who knows how to use AI effectively isn't just a little more efficient. They can become a one-person powerhouse, capable of doing the work that used to take a whole team. You become your own researcher, your own analyst, your own strategist. That makes you incredibly valuable.
So, what does this new CV even look like? Well, it's a portfolio of your actual work. You'd include examples of AI-generated reports, presentations you built with AI's help, or workflows that you designed using AI tools. This kind of tangible proof will immediately set you apart from like 95% of other professionals out there.
All of this leads us to our final and maybe the most crucial section, the winning mindset. Because honestly, more than any single tool or skill, it's your attitude and your adaptability that will determine your success in the age of AI.
And here we are, coming full circle right back to this harsh, but also incredibly motivating truth. Your career security isn't about fighting some machine. It's about outlearning, outpacing, and outperforming other people by using the best tools available. It's a competition of skill, and it's a competition of speed.
This is where you have a choice. You can be relentlessly curious and see every new tool as a brand new opportunity. Or you can be rigid. In this new world, people who say things like, "that's not my job," are going to be left behind, while the ones who are constantly playing and experimenting are the ones who are going to rise to the top.
And as you're learning all these new incredible skills, please never forget this. AI can process data, but it can't build trust. It can write code, but it can't show empathy. It can analyze a spreadsheet, but it can't provide real leadership. Your entire career should be built around these irreplaceable human qualities. They are, and they always will be, your strongest asset.
Ultimately, AI is not here to replace you. It is here to prepare you for a world where your potential can be massively amplified. This technology, it's a test, it's an opportunity, and it's a challenge, all wrapped into one. So the only real question left is, are you ready?